Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the NetBank Cup Finals. Orlando Pirates 2, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by a fan, my brother Osim. Where are you from?
Kemba from Pretoria. So I'm a Pretorian, but I am a Buccaneer by black and white. Like imagine today, 7 million in Sundowns, in the bank, in Sundowns, home place. You see the sign? It's in my bank. It's in my bank. Yes, sir. 7 meter in my bank, sir.
So how did you feel about the performance from the boys?
Look, I think they started, in the first half.
Yes, sir.
That's why, Sekhukhune actually scored first.
Yes, sir.
But the boys actually went back. They corrected themselves. They equalized. A lot of people are saying it's questionable, but a lot of officiating in South Africa questionable when it comes to handling of a ball in the penalty area. But second half, we're all over them. I counted about 2 chances for Sekhukhune in the first half.
Yes, sir.
More than Pirates,
Sir.
But Pirates came back. The boys exerted themselves very well in the second half, and we won. So congratulations to my boys.
Yes, sir.
I really love them.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for making my season.
Yes, sir.
It's difficult, but 2 cups in 1 season, having a so-called plumber. Yes, this guy. Spanish guitar, I love you.
You love him?
I love you, I love you, I love you.
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much.
Give me the man of the match today.
I think between I think Usaleng, he was there. No, look, Usaleng was there. Usaleng basically, he had some nice, attacks into the Sekhukhune, for race as well. But I thought team really held his own very well, He marshaled that, center midfield. He broke down the armor defenses, armor attacks with Sekhukhune. But unfortunately, he could not find, that last, killer pass to Lodge. Very disappointed with the Lodge. But anyway, it's not about we won. It's about the team effort. If Lodge is Panchile, the other guys actually came back. They sub him up. So, well done to now, Pagania, Yabonga. Thank you very much. I love everybody.
Give me a player of the season.
My player of the season, oh wow. I'm a bit conflicted.
Yes, sir.
For me, it's between Utebo Mukwena.
Yes, sir.
But I think, my young boy, Usaleng, really he came back, from East Swallows, Free State Swallows, and then he came back to Pirates, after loan. And he really accepted himself quite very well, He just basically handled. I was very disappointed with him that, for the big games against the Chiefs, he was just not there, But any game except the Chiefs, Usaleng was Usaleng. I'm a sister corner, I'm a coach corner. You have on. He even retired to one child today. He's retired. Because of Ubani, Usaleng. Yakumbula Musepolukan. What to do, Charlie?
You remember?
I got. Who say praise when? Who say praise?